Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Walk Square. Hope you're all doing very good. Today's video, I thought of sharing with you a small tip, okay, while doing image animation in PowerPoint presentation. Usually, while we design, this PowerPoint presentation is very important for us. Let's see, like, how can we add image in PowerPoint and how can we add animation to it. So for that, first I'm opening PowerPoint. Now, click Insert. Now it will show pictures, save from this device. Let me take this one and I'm inserting it here. At the same time, let's remove this thing. Don't want this. Let me add one more. Same from this device and I'm adding it. Oh, we're adding it here. Okay, fine. So let's see like how can we add animation to it. So first click on this picture and go for this animation or either this picture format. It will show you here. Like first, if you want to add any effect to it, please add to it. Then come to this animation. Here, these are all the effects we can do while adding animation. See, I'm giving animation. So I'm giving it this way, which means it will appear this way. And we can like adjust the duration, like how fast we want or how slow we want. It displays in this duration. Okay, now I'm added to it. So this is our first one. And now, secondly, this is getting appear. So we have to add animation to it. So before adding animation to it, I wish this one gets disappear. So here we have one more thing. This is for exit. So for example, I'm giving this. Okay. So now you could see this is one and this is two. This is for appearance and this is for exit. And now here. For this picture, I'm adding animation again. So I'm giving a flying. So the image gets appeared this way. Okay, now it is getting a symbol as number 3. So now I want this to disappear. So now what I'm doing, I am taking a bounce. So it happens this way. Okay, now I want to adjust the timing for this fourth animation, which is the bouncing one. So I'm decreasing the animation. I want to slow down. Okay. For example, let this be here. Okay. Now we had enough animation to it. So let's see like how it happens. Okay. Let's go to the slideshow. Say slideshow. Save from this current slide. And if you click on, as we gave mouse click, it will appear this way. And secondly, we wanted to disappear. And thirdly, this one appears. And fourthly, this one exits. I hope this video would have been useful. Let me see you with another good interesting video. Till then, bye from Bob Squire.